Friends and traders, welcome back to this quick demonstration on a monthly chart of SPX. Now these are monthly charts and we are using as far as we can go. Now this is what Gann was doing for his yearly very massive trends, and if you are patient enough to handle these large multi-year movements, you can get a lot accomplished, especially if you're managing massive amounts of money where things keep on moving forward through the decades. Now all-time low, which is market is almost flat here in 1980s. You can see here very low. This is SPX. We put that ultimate low and we curve fit 25% here. Remember, Gann said 25, 50, 75, 100%. Now you can see this very clearly and what's really going on. So if you curve fit this 25% on the first big move, it hits 2000 and we get a retracement for 2000, like 4 years. Now this is, as I said, very large term trends. 4 years we got into bearish move. Then we retested 25% again until 2009, and then we broke this level, went to 50%, came down very aggressively, went to 75, came down aggressively. Now we are moving this into 100%, and we can just see right here, and we are pulling back. If you can see this very nicely, see that? So that is what it is. So now we're going a pullback into this system. If great things keep moving the way they are moving right now, and if you're not hedged, we have been warning you, the top is coming. We gave you the precise top also, and we gave you first level, now the other levels as well. But at least if you are a very long-term positional trader, keep eye on these levels. All right, this is how you can do it on any stock. I am going to do it on SPX as I showed you. This is where the quarter point theory comes into picture. This is where the number 4 comes into picture. So here it is, and you can take commodities, long-term trends, and even the market. It is going through rotational cycle right now at this moment. Now we can do the same thing with 50 or 50, right? So keep these levels in your mind right here. If the great things start really triggering spiral panics globally, look at this, 4700, 3100, and this is where the Gann 50 will get activated. So let's see how it goes. And all right, so that is from the ultimate level. All right, just keep an eye on that. Now if you want to move forward, and this is for the, you're talking about making thousands and thousands of percentages of return on investment by waiting year, and you might have to wait for years and years, 5 years, right? 6 years, 10 years, there's huge cycles. All right, in level 3, we go through 100 years of every highs and lows with 98% accuracy, right? There are models to do all this. All right, so let's say this was a new impulse. We think this is what we want to trace. Let's check it out. Well, we put it here at the low, 25% here. You can see reaction from 50%, reaction from 75, and reaction from 100. All right, so if that is happening, the second scenario is a pullback in this recent swing. Keep an eye on this 4700 on the other one, and this is 4900, and we're not too far away from this. And if this is going to happen, now if market pulls back 20%, you may get into real bearish territory, and it can easily come down here. If you have some serious war, financial or otherwise, it can come down here. Keep an eye on these levels. Now this is 20 years in ahead of you, 20 years in front of you, and market is just bouncing perfectly at these levels. And most people want to trade 20 times a day, right? Which is fine. But if your kids were born and they're 25 years old right now, right, you're up massive amounts of cash. 10x of the initial investment. And if you keep on adding, adding pullback, so you have to pick 4 or 5. We talked about it. There's the big bankers in Switzerland. They have this axiom they follow, right? And most people who want to build multi-generation wealth, they do the same thing. You pick your top 5 things and you just keep investing in that. So this is a pullback. Technical pullbacks are going on. Reasons are the news, but it's pulling back. It's going through its rotation. All right, so keep this eye on this level. Now we want to do this most recent, which is going to be here, which blew this top and the trend line, and we go up. Now if you say, okay, this is the move, where is my corrections? Now if you go with that section, you can see it is, what is it doing? Watch, it came to 75 and it's bouncing from there. It's a monthly chart. Okay, I'm trying to hold it. And what's going to happen next? If this breaks, you can see right here. So keep this levels. So you can have 3 different waves where you can just do a quarter point analysis, and you can see I'm just giving it roughly, and this is nothing more than a free trading view. This is just break down your ranges into 4 parts. So here it is, 55 on SPX, 48, which is same as 49. So you can see now if you do it multiple of them, there will be some convergence. And if you get here, this retest failure is going to happen as well. All right. So that is one thing we wanted to share with you. All right. Just a quick check was given here. Thank you so much.